berjauhan. Tahan, tahan.
So, bago tayo magsimula, ay mag-pray muna tayo para gabayan kayo sa panonood.
Pumanaw ka, Jesus, subalit ang bukal ng buhay ay bumalong para sa mga kaluluwa at ang karagatan ng awa ay bumugso para sa sanlibutan. O bukal ng buhay, walang hanggang awa ng Diyos, yakapin mo ang sangkatauhan at ibuhos mong ganap ang iyong sarili para sa aming lahat. O banal na dugo at tubig na dumaloy mula sa puso ni Jesus bilang bukal ng awa para sa aming lahat, ako ay nananalig sa iyo. O banal na dugo at tubig na dumaloy mula sa puso ni Jesus bilang bukal ng awa para sa aming lahat, ako ay nananalig sa iyo. O banal na dugo at tubig na dumaloy mula sa puso ni Jesus bilang bukal ng awa para sa aming lahat, ako ay nananalig sa iyo.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, our discussion for today is all about table of values. So, let's go. So, let's proceed. The limit of a function f of x is the value it approaches as the value of x approaches c certain value. As x approaches c, the limit of f of x approaches L. This is written in symbol as follows. So here are some examples. So example number 1. Limit x plus 2 as x approaches to 4. So first, we're gonna grab the x. And since our x is 4, so 4. And then, let's find the 4. Let's graph the 4 from the left. Let's graph the 4 from the left and from the right. And then next is, we're gonna uunahin natin yung left. So, from the left side. So, since our left is 3, kailangan yung number natin na 3 is papalapit sa 4. Wait lang, nakaharang. Palapit sa 4 since our x is 4. And ang ating f of x, isa-substitute lang natin yung x para makuha ang f of x. So, x plus 2, then substitute the x, replace by 3. So 3 plus 2, wait lang, 3 plus 2 equals 5. So yun na yung f of x natin, 5. So ganun lang na process ang gagawin sa ibang number. So 3.5 plus 2, 5.5. So repeat the same process and makukuha na natin yung answer. So wag nyo lang pahirapan yung sarili nyo. So kailangan nyo lang is substitute. Okay, same process lang guys. So dito sa 3.9 ganun lang din. 3.9 plus 2, that is 5.9. 3.99 plus 2, that is 599. 3.9 plus 2, 9999. So we can say that our limit is, we can say that our limit is 6 since our f of x is papalapit siya sa 6. So limit x plus 2 as x approaches to 4 from the left yung minus sign na yan, from the left equals to 6. So yun na ang from the left. So let's proceed to from the right. So since our right is 5, so kailangan ang 5 natin is papalapit siya sa 4. So tulad nito, gaya nito. And then ganun lang din ang ating f of x is substitute natin sa x. Ang x natin, isa-substitute natin sa function. And, yun na yun ang f of x ninyo. So, ulitin ko, same process lang dito. So, ang x lang, isa-substitute lang natin yung x sa function. Then, 5 plus 2, that is 7. And then, 4.7, that is 4.7 plus 2, that is 6.7. And then dito din 4.5 plus 2, 6.5. And then same process lang din, 4.1 plus 2, same lang din dito, parehas lang yan. 0.1 plus 2, that is 6.1. And then 4.01, that is 6.01. And then same lang din, 6.0001. So napapansin nyo na ang ating 5 is papalapit sa 4, ay ang ating x is papalapit sa 4, at ang ating f of x is papalapit sa 6. Papalapit din siya sa 6. So we can say that our limit x plus 2 as x approaches to 4 from the right, yan, yung plus sign na yan, that is the sign that from the right equals to 6. So since our limit x plus 2 as x approaches 4 from the left is equals to 6, so equal siya sa 6. And then dito din sa ang ating right is equal din sa 6. So itong dalawa na to, matatawag natin tong one-sided limit. So ang answer natin dito is, conclusion natin, those limit x plus 2 as x approaches to 4 is equals to 6. Yan na ang answer, at matatawag natin yang two-sided limit. So ito, pag dalawa, pag may sign, matatawag natin one-sided limit. Pero pag ganito lang, normal lang, walang sign, so matatawag natin itong two-sided limit. So gets? So second example is limit f of x if f of x squared minus 1 if x is less than 2, and then x minus 4 if x is greater than 2. So ang pagkakaiba netong dalawa is, kapag from the left is ang gagamitin natin is yung less than, and then pag from the right is gagamitin natin yung greater than. Okay? Gets? So let's proceed to direct substitution lang, at gagamitin natin tong less than. And then x squared minus 1, substitute mo lang yung 1. 1 squared minus 1, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So yan ang f of x natin. And then ganun lang din sa 1.5. So substitute lang natin to. So 125 and 2.4. So 1.8 squared minus 1 is, ang answer is 2.24. Ganun lang din, 1.9 squared minus 1, that is 2.61. And then ganun lang din, 1.99 squared minus 1, that is 2.6996. Since our f of x is papalapit siya sa 3, so we can say that our limit is equals to 3. So lagay natin dito equals to 3. Limit x squared minus 1 as x approaches to 2 from the left, yung sign na yan, from the left, is equals to 3. So ang ating left is equals to 3. So from the right naman tayo, so our right is 3, kailangan magpapalapit sa 2. since our function is from the right, so gagamitin natin tong greater than, yung may greater than. Ito ang gagamitin na function. So ganun lang din, substitute yung 3 x minus 4. So substitute 3 minus 4, that is negative 1. So 2.5 minus 4, that is what? That is negative 1.5. And 2.3 minus 4, that is negative 1.7. 2.1, that is negative 1.9. and then 2.01, that is negative 1.999. 2.001, that is negative 1.9999999. Ilang 9 yun? So ang ating right, so since hindi sila same, hindi sila kaparehas, kasi ang from the left natin is papalapit siya sa positive 3, and then ang from the right natin is papalapit siya sa negative 2. So ang conclusion natin dito is the limit f of x does not exist, kasi hindi sila magkaparehas. Yung since our left is papalapit sa positive 3, and then ang ating right is papalapit sa negative 2, so hindi sila the same. So it means na ang ating function ay does not exist. Okay, so ganun lang. So let's have another example. So let's have another example, number 3. Given f of x is equals to 5x plus 1, find limit f of x as x approaches to 2. So ganun lang din from the left. So using calculator, gagamitin natin tong ating function na 5x plus 1. Yan ang tatang function. So ang 1.5 is 8.5, ang 1.8 is 10, ang 1.9 is 10.5, ang 1.99 is 10.95. So ang 1.999 is 10.995. So nagagamit tayo ng calculator nito, guys. Pwede nyo lang i-substitute nyo lang yung x sa substitute nyo lang yung mga number sa x. Okay, so from the right naman tayo. So ang ating right, since kanina ang ating right is 3, so kailangan papalapit siya sa 2. And then using calculator, ito pa rin ang gagamitin natin. Then ang 3 natin is 16, ang 2.5 natin is 13.5, ang ating 2.2 is 12, ang ating 2.1 is 11.5, ang ating 2.01 is 11.05, ating 2.001 is 11.005. Since ang ating from the left is papalapit sa positive 11, ang ating from the left is papalapit sa positive 11, and dito din sa from the right is papalapit din sa positive 11. So we can say that our limit 5x plus 1 as x approaches to 2 is equals to 11. Okay guys, nakuha. So let's proceed for another example. Example number 4. Find limit f of x where f of x is equals to 1 over x minus 2 as x approaches to 2. So ganun pa rin sa from the left, ganun process lang din since our x is 2. So isa-substitute lang natin tong ang ating x sa given. So 1 over 1 minus 2. So using calculator, ang 1 natin is negative 1. So ganun din sa 1.5, substitute lang natin sa x yung 1.5 na yan. So 1 over 1.5 minus 2. So ang answer is negative 2. So sa 1.8, negative 5. So 1.9 is negative 10. So 1.999 is negative 100. And then sa negative 1.999 is negative 1,000. So ang ating from the left is papalapit siya sa 1,000 ay negative 1,000. So ang ating, ulitin ko, ang ating from the left is papalapit siya sa negative 1,000. Then let's proceed to from the right. From the right. So ganun pa din, ang mga numbers sa x is substitute lang dito sa x na given. So our 3 is substitute lang natin dyan sa x is 1. Ang ating 2.5 is 2. Ang ating 2.2 is 5. Yung 2.1 is 10. And ang ating 2.01 is 100. Ang ating 2.001 is 1,000. So sa napapansin nyo, ang ating from the left at from the right is parehas yung value. So ano napapansin nyo magkaiba? So yung sign, di ba? So ang ating from the left is negative 1,000. Ang ating from the right is positive 1,000. So masasabi natin, so hindi sila magkapare, kahit na magkapareha sila ng value, pero nagkaiba sila ng sign, ay magkaiba pa rin yun, guys. Ang answer natin dito is limit f of x as x approaches to 2 ay limit f of x equals 1 over x minus 2 as x approaches to 2 does not exist. Bakit? Kasi yun nga, hindi sila magkaparehas. Kahit nga magkaparehas sila ng value, as long as hindi sila parehas ng sign, is hindi sila mag-i-exist. So yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy this video. I love you all.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.